All right, let's talk about something that can save you a ton of time, a bunch of money, and just a whole lot of stress. We're going to make car diagnostics easy.
You know that feeling, right? You're just driving along, maybe listening to some music, and bam, it happens. That tiny little light pops up on your dashboard, and just like that, your nice, peaceful drive is, well, not so peaceful anymore.
Oh yeah, that one. The dreaded check engine light. It's basically the universal symbol for, uh-oh, this is probably going to be complicated and definitely expensive. For pretty much every driver out there, it's this moment of instant panic.
And what's the first thing you think? It's always a trip to the mechanic, isn't it? Your brain just immediately starts running through the checklist. Got to schedule an appointment, take time off work, hand over your keys, and you're just sitting there, hoping for the best, but kind of expecting the worst.
And here's the first kick, right? The diagnostic fee. Before anyone even touches a tool, you're already paying just to figure out what that little light even means. It's kind of like paying a cover charge just to get some bad news.
Yeah, we're talking about $100, sometimes even more, and that's just to find out what's wrong. That's just the price of admission. The actual repair cost? Who knows? It's still a total mystery at that point.
The whole process, the old way of doing things, it just feels so broken, doesn't it? You schedule, you drive, you wait, you pay a fee, and all you can do is hope they give you a straight answer. You have pretty much zero control.
But what if there was a better way? What if you could totally flip this whole situation around? I mean, what if you could know what the problem is before you even think about calling a mechanic?
Let me introduce you to the OBD2 scanner. And don't worry, this isn't some super complicated piece of machinery for a pro garage. Nope, it's a small, simple little gadget that plugs right into your car. Think of it like a translator. It tells you, in plain English, exactly what your car is trying to say.
And using it, it's seriously as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just plug it in under your dashboard, then you read the code on the screen. And just like that, you know the problem. It could be something super simple, like a loose gas cap. Seriously. Or it could be a sensor that needs replacing. But the point is, you actually know what's going on.
This is a total game changer. You go from that awful feeling of uncertainty to actually understanding what's up. It's about getting rid of that anxiety and replacing it with confidence.
Okay, so what do these little lifesavers actually look like? Let's check out a few real-world options that, literally thousands of drivers are using right now.
And you know what's cool? There's a huge range. You've got bestsellers that are less than $30, you've got super budget-friendly ones for even less, and yeah, if you're a serious DIYer, there are even pro-level tools. There's really something for everyone.
Let's take a closer look at a couple of the most popular picks. First, you've got the Ansel 8310. This thing is the crowd favorite. It has over 62,000 ratings. Then there's the VDiag Tool VD10, which is just ridiculously affordable. You can get started with this for less than a couple of coffees. And just look at this number. It's wild. For the Ansel 8310, over 30,000 people bought one in just the last month. 30,000. That is some serious social proof right there. That's a whole lot of drivers deciding they're done with the guessing game.
And it's not just that one model. You see this high level of trust across the board. Look at these user ratings, 4.6 stars, 4.5. They're all super highly rated. People say they work, they're reliable, and most importantly, they're easy to use. This isn't some weird niche tech. It's a real, proven solution.
Okay, so as we start to wind down here, let's think about the big picture. Yeah, you're definitely going to save money on that first diagnostic fee, for sure. But the real win here, it's so much bigger than just saving $100.
What this is really about is taking back control. It's about gaining power. Imagine walking into the mechanic shop and saying, hey, my car is throwing this specific code. That changes the whole conversation, right? You're informed, you're confident, and honestly, it's about that peace of mind you get on the road. So, why keep guessing? Why live with that sinking feeling when that little light comes on? The answer is right there. It can literally fit in your glove box. It's time to stop guessing and start knowing.
All right, so if you're ready to take that next step, to be a smarter, more empowered car owner, these tools are easier to get than ever. To explore these options and find the right solution for you, for more and purchase, visit our website.